In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make craft fair tags in Canva. This beginner-friendly walkthrough will take you from a blank canvas to a polished tag that's ready to save and print, all using Canva on your desktop. Start by opening Canva on your computer and logging in. Being signed in ensures your work saves automatically and lets you come back to edit or duplicate designs later. If you're new to Canva, the desktop view gives you more screen space and easier access to tools. Next, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Set your units to inches, then enter 2 inches by 3.5 inches. That size is a popular tag dimension, similar to a business card, and it fits nicely on standard paper when you print multiple tags per sheet. Choose Portrait or Landscape depending on your layout. If you see a bleed option later, leave a small margin so nothing important gets cut off. Now click Elements and search for tag shape or label. Pick a tag outline you like and place it on the canvas. Resize it to fill your artboard neatly, keeping some space around the edges. If you want a hole for string or ribbon, add a small circle from Elements and position it near the top center. Use the alignment guides to ensure everything is straight and evenly spaced. Add your business name, logo, or product information using the text tool. You can upload your logo if you have one and place it at the top for brand recognition. Keep your text hierarchy clear. A bold name or product title, a smaller subtitle, and any essential details like price, size, or care notes. Aim for legible font sizes so it reads well at arm's length. Customize the colors, fonts, and decorations to match your style. Use your brand colors, or try Canva's color picker to sample hues from your logo. Pair a simple sans serif with a decorative font for headings, and make sure there's good contrast between text and background. If you'd like extra flair, browse Elements for patterns, icons, or illustrations. Subtle graphics can make your tag stand out without overcrowding it. Adjust transparency or use frames and lines to add structure while keeping white space for a clean look. When you're happy with the design, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print for the sharpest results, and, if available, enable crop marks and bleed as your printer requires. If you need a digital image or want to export one tag at a time, choose PNG and set a high quality. Name your file clearly so it's easy to find. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.